What's good everybody, this is Sankalp Chauhan and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will actually look more into one of the most prominent coding competition that is actually hosted by Google every year and is called as Google Hashcode 2021. Now, this competition is basically designed to test your coding skills, and Google Hashcode is a platform that can be used to test your own caliber in terms of coding and where do you really stand in terms of coding. And this is a very tough competition, to be very honest, but it always comes up with huge advantages. In this video, we will actually discuss more of what exactly is Google Hashcode, how to register for Google Hashcodes, and what is the eligibility criteria, and finally what are the prizes and the goodies that you will be getting if you made it to that level, right? So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So the first question arises is that what exactly is Google Hashcode? Now, Google Hashcode is basically a programming competition or a coding competition where coders from all across the world would come under one roof and they will try to compete with one another. Now, generally this Google Hashcode used to occur in an offline mode where people or the competitors really have to move from one place to another in order to compete with, in order to take part in the competition. But since or due to the pandemic that is actually happening at this point of time, the Google Hashcode is actually happening in an online mode, which is a great opportunity for all of us who cannot really travel at different places at this point of time. So Google's team-based hashcode competition is basically a programming competition which allows you to share your skills and knowledge about programming, and it also allows you to compete with some of the best coders of the world, right? Now this competition actually occurs in two rounds, the first one being the online round and the second one being the world finale round. And before actually starting out with this, I would like to tell you that the minimum age requirement for this is 16 years of age, and if you are above 16, then only you can apply for this Google Hashcode. It doesn't really matter if you are a student or a working professional, but you can still go for it and try your luck out there, right? The last date of registration for this Google Hashcode is 22nd February, and the registrations have already started, but the last date for registration is 22nd February. So what are the minimum requirements that you really need in order to start off with the first thing first is that you must be 16 years or more than that of age. The second thing is that you should know at least one programming language very well. Of course, you should have good internet connection and other necessary things. Another important point to note here is that you can register yourself as an individual, but when you will actually reach to the competition, when the competition will start, the people who have actually hosted this are the ones who will divide you in terms of teams of around 2 or 4 people. An important update is that the contest will start on 25th of February. So make sure that you register yourself before 22nd, because 22nd is the last date of registration. So do not forget to register yourself before 22nd if you are willing to take part in the competition. If we talk about the prizes and the certificate that you will get, any participant who would be able to qualify the online round and must have solved at least one problem, then he or she really deserves a certificate for that, and the Google will be responsible to give a certificate along with certain amount of goodies that Google entertains will be given to the participants who will be qualifying the Google Hashcode 2021 round 1, right? So yeah, this is how it is. If we talk about the prices, the first prize will be of $4,000 US, the second prize will be of $2,000 US, and the third prize will be of $1,000 US. Now this is an important part here, because this is how the participation distribution actually occurs, and along with all of this you will also get a certificate. Now goodies in Google really includes like that of bags and t-shirts and cups and a lot of different other things that they might really think of giving it to other participants, right? So yeah, this is the information about the Google Hashcode. So if you are really interested in doing so, the link is given in the description down below to register for it, and you can just go ahead and register yourself and get ready for the tough competition. So this is it for the video, guys, and if you really like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't really subscribed to the channel, do not forget to subscribe it and give a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Thank you so much.